Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are discussing a Accenture verbal mock test where I tell you the concept, how to solve verbal ability questions and also tell about some specific rules which are applicable in sentence arrangement and spotting errors and other type of questions which are asked in Accenture. So without further delay, let's get start the video. And before starting the video, I want to say that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel because for making video, it I make more effort for making video and such valuable contents. So if you found this video is valuable for you, then please like it, share and share with your friends. So basically in Accenture's verbal ability test, basically questions are asked in from spotting errors where the concept lies like a subject verb agreement, articles, prepositions and sentence arrangement, synonyms, antonyms and articles, from where these are the basically topics from where Accenture's verbal mock test is asked. So first we discuss about the how to solve spotting errors question. For solving the spotting errors question, we basically find the error in the part of sentence. In this type of sentence, we give us four part of sentence, and our responsibility is to tell in which part of sentence error. Okay, so first we discuss the first sentence, which is that there were only two commandos. This is the first part, and what each and every commando, this is the second part of sentence, was equal to 6 policemen. This is the third part of sentence, and no error, this is the fourth part. If you found error in part 1, then you should answer option number A, and if you found error in option part number 2, then your responsibility to give the answer B, and so on. If you have feel that there is no error in this sentence, then you choose the option 4. So according to first sentence, we read that there were only two commandos, but each and every commando. Here we can see that here two words are used, each and every, which is incorrect. So for this question, the correct answer of this question is B. Okay, so second option is the correct answer for this question. Let's read second sentence. You can see this channel for the last news of this week. In this sentence, we see that here is used word last, which is not a suitable superlative degree, because in the concept of news we use the latest news of this week. Okay, the proper sentence should be you can see this channel for the latest news of this week. So the error lie in the part of third part of the sentence. So basically the correct answer of this question is option number C. Now we read about question number 4. All the paintings are interesting, but this one is the more interesting. And fourth option is no error. Here we find a mistake. The more is interesting, because we use more in the concept of countable things. Okay, so here is the correct version is the most interesting. Okay, so error lie in the third part of sentence. The correct option of this question is option number 3. Now we read about sentence number 4. I am too glad to receive the offer letter of this company. Here we can say that in part number 1, I am sentence using I am too glad, because the error lines part number 1, because too basically is used for negative sense. Okay, so the proper sentence should be I am very glad to receive the offer letter of this company. So basically error lies in sentence part number A. Okay, here I give 5 questions, which are 5 questions from every topics, which are very valuable for your Accenture's verbal test. Okay, now discuss about fifth sentence. Gandhiji was a great politician and a great philosopher. Who freed India from the clutch of the Britishers? Fourth option is nowhere. Here we can see that Gandhiji was a great politician and a great politician. And we should learn the concept when we use two habits of a person, then we and using that, and then we use only article with a habits. Here we did Gandhiji was a great politician and a great. So here error is in this sentence, error is lies in second part, because the sentence should be Gandhiji was a great politician and great philosopher who freed India from the clutch of British. So basically error lies in the third part of sentence. Now we choose the correct articles. Okay, so first we read the sentence number 6. My daughter is learning to play guitar at her school. So option, according to option A is the A, which is not correct. The correct answer of this question is the. My daughter is learning the guitar at her school. Sentence number 7. I think dash woman there has lost her purse. Here we the correct answer is the. Basically here we talking about the specific woman who had lost his purse. Okay, so the correct article for this sentence is the. Question number 8. I borrowed dash pencil from your pile of pencils and pen. Here we can see that we choose pencils, only one pencil from the piles of pencils and pens. So the suitable article for this question is a pencil. Okay, the sentence should be I borrowed a pencil from your pile of pencils and pens. Sentence number 9. Clouds drifted across sky. This is very easy question, because A is not, and A and N article is not used in this, because sky is unique. So clouds drifted across the sky. Okay, so the correct article of this question is also the. The dog is a useful and faithful animal. Here many students put N, which is incorrect, because the pronunciation of useful start from consonant voice. So the correct answer of this question is a dog is a useful and faithful animals. Okay. Now choose correct same meaning word of highlighted word. Basically in these questions you are asked the synonyms of giving words. Okay, his style is quite transparent. His style is quite transparent. Okay, so transparent means which things like we can see both side of things. This is called transparent. So the correct answer of this question is lucid. So number C is the correct answer. Question number 12. Manish neglected to remit the fees in time and therefore had to pay a fine. It means that Manish neglected. So if I do not know the meaning of neglected, I can guess neglected means what. If I put refused means like Hindi word mana kar dena. So it is not possible to Manish refused to remit the fees in time and therefore had to. So this is not suitable. But like this we cannot use promised and submitted. So the correct answer of this question is also failed. Manish failed to remit the fees in time and therefore had to have fine. Okay. Question number 13. He was wanted at the outset of his career. Outset. If we talk about anyone's career, so not suitable end or middle or entrance. So the correct answer of this question is also beginning. Okay, he was wanted at the beginning of his career. Question number 14. The time I spent in the library was the most rewarding one. Rewarding is the same meaning like profitable, paying, serviceable, precious. So rewarding is just like profitable. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Many species of animals have become extinct. Extinct means not existent. Okay, so also given it. So option B is the correct answer of this question. Now we're talking about choose correct opposite word of the highlighted word. Basically here we asked about opposites. Okay, so read question number 16. The club meets on the last Thursday of every month is a dilapidated palace. Dilapidated palace. So the correct answer of this is renovated. Okay. Basically, here is no any law of for antonyms. You should learn the antonyms or synonyms. What he tells me confirms my ideas. Confirms basically acceptance. So the opposite of confirms is contradicts. Means doing argue. He was asked to accelerate the pace of work. Accelerate means होता है to fast forwarding the work, and so the correct antonyms of this word is control the work. Dinesh could manage his family satisfactorily with a meager income. Meager means sufficient income, which is meager. Meager means meager is basically the opposite word of adequate. So adequate is the correct answer of this question. I thought about her a lot during the following months. Following months, basically, the antonyms of following is preceding months. Okay. Now we're talking about arrange the given sentence. Before going to arrange sentence, I want to tell you some concept using some tips. Using these tips, you can easily arrange a sentence. First, we keep in mind any sentence is not started from any this, that, and any other pronouns. Okay, so using these concept, I try to arrange these sentences. For example, in this sentence we can see that I read an advertisement that said, Posh air conditioned, gentlemen of taste are available, fully furnished. Here we can see that I read an advertisement that said gentlemen of taste. So basically any option which started Q is not correct. Are available for, any option start with R is not correct. Here we read sentence time to time, so here we find a clue. I read an advertisement that said posh air conditioned fully furnished rooms are available for gentlemen taste. So basically the correct option of this question is option number B. Okay. Now we're talking about second sentence. I enclose and the post is a postal order the price of books which will cover. So the correct answer of this question, I enclose a postal order and the postage which will cover the price of books. I enclose a postal order and the postage which will cover the price of books. So option D is the correct answer of this question. Now we talking about next sentence. All such students who are honest and hardworking get success and recognition in very walk of life. All students who are honest and hardworking get success and recognition in very walk of life. So this is the correct answer of this question. Now we're talking about other sentence. He said, here is the cat throughout the night which had been playing havoc with things that at the rate. He said that here is the cat. He said that here is the cat date at the rate which had been playing havoc with things throughout the night. So basically the correct answer of this question is PSRQ. Okay, option number B is the correct answer. So this is the basically questions which this is the question sheet I prepared for you. If you find that this video is valuable for you, then please like, share and subscribe this video. And if you wanted to get the PDF, you can join our WhatsApp group. Link is pinned in description. You can join the WhatsApp group and get the PDF of this question paper. Okay.